And that follows. Bitch, if you think you're tough, try for the put more efforts, cause I'm all about you methods. We only look up to the moon, but I'd rather follow stars. Car shaking now, cause we only live on fast lanes. Imagine that, only live on fast lanes. Grew up, only had two friends, both of them MCs, but only true one was me, and fuck the others. Matter of fact, fuck friends cause they overrated bastards. My life is explicit. You can see that shit is X-rated. Money then follows. You know how it is. Riding on the depths of a high. Bitch looks good. Maybe I should take it by. You see, you rather die niggas. The flow is about to die for you niggas. No more glitches. Hip hop is back. See, you niggas know who the sickest is. Not sick, but the illest is. You lack skill, I'm out to kill. They like Karens, but not ovens. Cause I'm a young wreck, it's in my blood to get racks off.